guys, so we are at Kamala Beach, Thailand, near Phuket, and the sunset is beautiful back there, and the waves are crashing pretty hard, but the water is beautiful. It's nice and warm, and so I thought I'd get the GoPro out here. I'm just sitting out here all day, sort of relaxing. And it's been beautiful out. I've just been sort of relaxing the past couple days that I've been here, and don't really have much of an agenda while I'm here. I may rent a motorbike to go around the island and kind of show you guys some things. Let me turn this way so you can see me, although the sunset's beautiful. Fighting a little bit of a sinus thing again, unfortunately. Had this 3 times on this trip so far, and normally don't get this sick, so I don't know what's going on. Get sick this often, I guess, that's what I should say. But anyway, yeah, I may rent a motorbike and go around. There are a few things here to see. This is actually where the tsunami came in 2004. This was basically one of the ground zeros, and there's a tsunami memorial that's over my shoulder back there, dedicated to those who lost their lives in the tsunami. So it's an unfortunate thing that happened. I can't believe it's 2004 though. That doesn't seem that long ago. Anyway, I will show you more. If I get beat up by the waves, I will show you more of Kamala, K-M-A-L-A-N, beach near Phuket over the next several days. So let's check out Kamala and this beautiful sunset once again.